welcome to my basement. I'm so glad you're here. I have a really fun and easy dance for you to learn to get right back to where we started from. Little disco tune. Just one thing to remember, whenever I say step right, use your right arm. You do the same, I'm your mirror. So if you use your right arm, step with your right foot when I say to, we should be exactly mirroring each other. It should work out perfectly. All right, once you learn it, I want you to post it to social media and tag me at kelly.essentially. Let's get started. All right, you can start kind of doing whatever you want, but as soon as the chorus starts, you're going to step to the side with your right foot. So step side right, kind of tap the left, step left, tap the right. Your feet are going to stay apart, just like this. You just kind of up and down just a little bit. Your arm, your right arm, your left hand's going to be on your hip, and your right arm is going to cross over your body, going from left to right. So that's count 1, 2. On 3, 4, it's going to push down. So 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, you just twist 5, 6, 7. Twist right, left, right. When you do that, take your hands, bend them at the elbow, hug them into your chest, and kind of twist them to right, left, right. Take your upper body with you. Right, left, right. And then on and 8, you just lift your heels, go onto your toes, and then point forward and bring it back in. So and 8. Let's try that from the top. All right, from the top, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's do it one more time. Stepping on the right first, right arm's going to go across the body from left to right. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. From here, you're going to take your left foot, cross it over your right, point the right toe out to the side, nice straight leg, cross the right foot over the left, point the left toe out to the side, nice straight leg. And all your arms are going to do is the left hand is still on the hip, right hand's going to cross over the body and then open. Just kind of like a figure 8, just like that. So you just did and 8, take that left foot because you shouldn't have much weight on it. Cross over with the left, take that right arm down, point the right leg to the side. That's count 2. Step 3, cross over with the right foot, point that left foot out to the side, take the right arm down. So let me speed it up so you see what it looks like. So you just did and 8, cross 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you're pointing, that's when your arm is down. So bring it up, point it down. So if you just kind of keep doing it over and over again. So cross, point, cross, point. Okay, let's add that to everything we know so far. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Cross 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, you're going to do a jazz square. You're going to cross over with your left foot over the right. So you cross over 5, take the right foot back 6, take the left foot out to the side 7, step forward on the right foot 8. All right, so you just did, let's see, which foot do we have free? We have our left foot free. We're going to cross that foot over, right foot back, left foot side, right foot forward. Keep doing that. Left foot over, right foot back, left foot, right foot, left foot over, right foot back, left foot side, right foot forward. So you're only going to do it once, but I just kind of want you to get the feel for it. This is called a jazz square. Cross, back, side, forward. So you have your left leg out to the side. You're going to cross that foot over first for your jazz square, and you're going to shimmy when you do that. So your hands are in a low V. Right shoulder is going to come forward. So shimmy right shoulder forward, left shoulder, right shoulder, left shoulder. Let's try that from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Cross 1, 2, jazz square, shimmy, 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 shimmy. The shimmy is the opposite shoulder as foot. So right shoulder forward, left foot steps. And then switch, switch, switch. One more time from the top. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Cross 1, 2, 3. Shimmy 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, you have your left foot shouldn't have much weight on it. You're going to pick up that left foot and you're going to circle it. So it's going to kind of go out to the side and swing and then step down. So it kind of like makes a circle motion like that. So you pick it up, 1, 2. When you do that, your hands are going to be on your butt cheeks. So 1, 2. On 3, you lean forward, push your hands down. On 4, you lean back, pelvis forward, hands go to the back. So you're just going to the opposite. You circle 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do that again. Circle 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, you're going to pick up your right foot and just kind of stomp it 4 times until you're facing the front. When you do that, your hand should be back like this. All you're going to do is push your right shoulder down on each stomp. So it's pretty simple. Let's go from that kick, like twirl thing. So you have kick, 1, 2, 3, 4, push, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it's pretty fast, so it should take you all 4 beats to get to the front. Let's try that from the top. Left hand on your hip, right hand's going to cross left to right, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Cross left, point right, right point jazz square, 5, 6. Here comes the kick, twirl, forward, back, stomp, 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 stomp. We are almost done. From here, all you're going to do is do a hip boomerang. So your hips are going to go back first and then hit to the right, back first, hit to the left. And your feet just kind of go along with the ride, hip, back, hip. So back, hit, back, hit, back, hit, back, hit. So you just did your shoulder stomps. All you're going to do is drop your arms, take it back, and when you hit, you snap the right arm 90-degree angle, snap, take it down, and then when you hit this side, the left arm comes up to a 90-degree angle. And we're almost done, so let's just finish it. You're going to put your left hand on your hip, right arm's going to go up, cross it over like John Travolta, up, cross it over. Let's try that last part. So you just did your stomps. From here, drop that hands, circle back, hit, circle back. John Travolta, up, down, up, down. Try it from the top. Left hand on the hip, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Cross 1, touch, cross. Jazz square with the shimmy. Here comes the leg twirl, circle, step, forward, back, hit, 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 boomerang. Boomerang, John Travolta, up, down, up, down. Well, that's really the end of the dance. At this point, you can do a little arm movement, whatever you want to do, forward, shimmy, it doesn't matter. The dance is over, so you're just kind of, having fun with it until you cut the clip and you cut the video. So that's the whole thing. Let's try it again from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Cross, touch, cross, shimmy, jazz square. 5, 6, leg circle. 1, 2, forward, back, stomp. 5, 6, hip boomerang. 1 and hit. 1 and John Travolta. Down, up, down, and then whatever you want to do. And you've learned the whole dance. All right, how about one more time? 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Cross and touch, cross and touch. Shimmy, 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 leg circle. 1, 2, forward, back, stomp, stomp, hip, boomerang. 1 and 2, 3, and John Travolta. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and just jam it out from there. All right. Thank you so much for learning this dance. I cannot wait to see your version of it on social media. Be sure and tag me. I'm at Kelly.Essentially, and thank you so much for following along. Until next time.